First, let's check out Pike Place Market. You can spend literally half a day there.
It's stringy. So,
It looks yummy, 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 yummy. This shop is perfect for maps enthusiasts. So after all of that shopping, if you feel tired, this is the best place for some clam chowder. Wait, before you're eating all of that clam chowder, you want to find a place to spit your gum? This is it. I highly suggest you guys do the hike from the upper falls to the lower falls. It is a little challenging, but it's not too bad. And you know, you get to see the waterfall from the top and also from the bottom up. Another cool place to check out would be Discovery Park. You can do a lot of things there, you know, just drive around or hike down to the beach. And in this case, I flew the drone. So if you like hiking, definitely do the hike at Mount Rainier to the base camp. It's tough, but it's so worth it. But don't forget sunscreen. So, what else can we do? Scuba diving in really cold water. It was freezing. It was below 50 degrees. But I did it. If you guys like drone photography, I have listed the 3 places in here. But most importantly, just make sure to be cautious when you are flying your drone. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy it.